Angqingo, ndiyimodel yaseKomani. Ndingenele uMiss Teen Township Pretoria as ndi-semi-finalist
Okay, masiqale
during this
ngohlobo
pageant.
Okay, all right. Masiqale ngohlobo lokhangela uba yonke le journey iqale njani and wamotivatewa intoni ukuze nawe ubone uba kulungile ungenele onobuhle.
First time that motivated the first time when I entered from school. I enjoyed it. It boosted my confidence. So I thought I should enter more pageants to boost my confidence and rebuild myself like as a person.
So uzothi ga ngoku ungathi mhlambi uqokelele i-titles ezingaphi?
Ndiqokelele ii-titles ezi-2 so far.
Okay, ungasikhumbuza ngazo?
First title was in 2023 with Miss Adversities and Mount Fred. Then the second one would be Mthatha when I got second princess for Miss Nzuzo, I think, if I remember correctly. It was in 2023, both of them.
Okay, ndiyazi uba ke mhlambi nasiphi na isakhono sinemiceli-mngeni khasibalisele nge-challenges zakho odibana nazo endleleni kuyo yonke le nto.
Challenges is not getting enough support from my community since there are voting lines. You have to get votes. You have to get as much support as you can get. And the money to travel, since there are not many pageants around Goman. So I have to travel to other places.
Okay, khakhumbuza abaphulaphuli uyi-finalist kweyiphi i-competition currently and unganqona into yoba bakusapote njani?
Ndiyi-finalist Miss Teen Township Pretoria, and I would wish for them to vote for me. There's a poster that I have and I can share it with you, can share it with other people too.
All right. Zithini ezinye plans kwalapha ku-2026? Zikhona ezinye competition ojonge kuzo okanye mhlambi imisebenzi ofuna ukuyenza efana ne-charity work?
Charity work, I have done it already, and since I advocate for youth mental health, I went to a school where I went to high school at my high school. I had a conversation with grade 12s there about mental health, about self-confidence, and the importance of asking for help, since I advocate for youth mental health and there are no plans other than this for 2026. Thank you.
Okay. Khasikhumbuze nje igama lesikolo esi uye kuso and kwabanjani phaya ngalamini?
I went to Slishe High School and the students there were communicating. We talked about anxiety, about asking for help, and how they see themselves, and confidence, and many other things. They were so communicative, and at the end, I instructed them to write positive messages to themselves, and they wrote powerful messages. The reason for me doing that activity is because it is so easy for us to say kind words to other people other than ourselves. And I wanted to remind them to be kinder to themselves, give themselves compassion and grace. Thank you.
Okay. Make sikhangele mhlambi amaphupha akho. Ngokwamaphupha akho uzibona uphumelela uyoma kweyiphi i-level apha ebomini ngale journey?
With this journey, I wish I can get to Miss SA.
Okay. Abantu abafuna ukufana nawe ngakumbi kubantu abatsha ungathini ukubakhuthaza, and if zikhona i-challenges ungabacebisa uba bazi-overcome ngoluphi uhlobo?
Ngabakhuthaza because it builds your self-confidence. It gives you opportunities. It gives you are more open to other people, And the challenges they might face is them not believing in themselves enough, thinking that they are not enough for this, and they should not listen to what other people say, and they should do it for themselves. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Alright, inkosi kakhulu. Xa siyivala ke Olona ndiyafuna ke uchazele abantu abafuna ukusapota, abantu abafuna ukulandela, babukele umsebenzi owenzayo, bakufumana njani phaa kwi-social media platforms, ungabashiyela ke nenamba.
Okay, on my Instagram, I'm Olona_Ngqingo, and on Facebook, I'm Olona Ngqingo. And my number is 068 Thank you.
Okay, Olona khabakhumbuze bakuvotela njani ke ngoku okanye njengoba ke uyi-finalist kule competition sekugqityiwe uvoto?
Akukagqitywa uvotwa. There's a poster that I can share with the audience. You vote with money, you deposit money to the account, then I can get votes.
Okay, nkosi kakhulu ke siyabulela ngexesha lakho, nathi ke siyiVukani FM sikunqwenelela ke impumelelo, naxa uphumelele ke ubuye siyazi iza kuba yi-title yesithathu oza nayo. Bakhona abantu ofuna ubabulela abakusapotayo okanye ufuna ukubabulisa kwindawo osuka kuyo?
Ndifuna ubulela ifamily yam nento neetshomi zam, because they've been supportive throughout my journey in every way possible. They show up for me, and I would like to show up for them in the future. Thank you.
Alright, nkosi kakhulu ke uhambe kakuhle Olona, siyabulela.
Nabulela.
Alright, mphulaphuli ibinguye ke Olona, yena imodel yaseKomani. Usichazele nge-competition azawuthi ayingenele. Ucela ke nimxhase ngokuthi ke nindwendwele amakhasi akhe kwi-social media platforms, nifumane la poster nibone uba kuvotwa ngoluphi na ke uhlobo abuye kunye nayo. Sileqa kwintengiso, xa sibuya likhona ilady laseKasi.
Vodacom's Red Hot Deals presents 2 phones, 1 great price.